Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kalita Aska and I am from 3G, and I am going to explain about my lesson plan based on transformative pedagogy learning. The first one is learning identity. This learning is implemented in 5th grade elementary school, second semester in the subject of natural and social science, with the topic of natural disaster. The learning time is 3 times 35 minutes, so the students have enough time to understand the material and do the activities. The second one is learning objective. Through this learning, students are expected to be able to: the first one is understand the causes of changes in the earth due to natural factors, and the second one is analyze the relationship between natural events and natural disaster, explaining the impact of natural disaster on human life, and then work together in groups to create 3D media, and the last one is deliver work results confidently and clearly. The third one is problem trigger. The teacher gives proactive questions such as: why can the earth experience changes? When does a natural event turn into a disaster? And how do natural disasters impact on human? These questions aims to build curiosity and encourage students to think critically from the start of learning. And the fourth one is media and learning context. Teachers uses interactive media like assembler education, website, and presentation to help students visualize and see the changes in the earth. This makes the material more tangible, engaging, and understandable. The fifth one is critical reflection. Students are asked to fill out a reflection table to access, like parts of the material that are difficult to understand, how they overcome learning difficulties, and how efforts that have been made in learning. This activity helps students become aware of their own learning process. Dialogue. The next one is discussion and dialogue. Students are divided into groups of 6 people, and in the group, students are discussing using worksheets and then distribute tasks fairly and then help each other to understand the material. The teachers acts as a facilitator who guides and directs the discussion. The seventh one is action and transformation. Students create 3D media about global changes and natural disasters using Assembler Edu, and this activity teaches creativity, cooperation, and deep understanding of concepts. Students then present their own work in front of the class. The next one is learning evaluation. The teachers give post-test and assessment for attitude or cooperation, responsibility, and communication. The second one is process, is how they discuss with their friends and how they present in front of the class. And for the knowledge is they work on their own worksheets. And then the last one is product, is the 3D media. So the evaluation is carried out to see students' understanding and development. The next one is transformative impact. After learning, students are expected to experience changes like way of thinking, is like more critical, analytic, and creative. And for the attitude, they are more confident, more responsible, and able to work together. This learning does not only focus on the results, but also on the process and changes in students' attitudes. That is all from my explanation. Sorry for my mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.